Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil with the use of trend channels. Yesterday we had drawn a few trend channels in 3-minute candlestick chart for MCX crude oil. Let's first see the performance of the trend channels, how it was useful for the yesterday's trading session. Then we will look after how to draw today's trend channel. So yesterday the first trend channel we had drawn was this. The price opened here, and you could see we thought if the price is moving down it should follow this channel, but it took some support, failed to break this, so it was moving and breaking the critical area but finding some resistance on the top, again dropping down, having some in and outs around the zone, so the price finally fell down. When the price is giving a bounce back, it maintained the same the upper band as resistance, and you could see the price falling down. Again it's breaking and closing at this level. So we could say that to a certain extent it gave us some indications where the price is losing its momentum on the buying side, particularly in this zone. We could feel that the price is not moving on the upper side, it's continuing a downtrend pattern now. So we could say that yesterday the market, the first trend line was useful to a certain extent, and the second trend channels, let's see how the second trend channels worked for us. So this is the second trend channel we had drawn, and we thought in order for the price to maintain its buying, the price should enter into the blue line. So constantly it maintained this blue line as resistance. Now you could see how the diagonal lines it's finding resistance. Finally you could see it is having a breakout, and it should maintain this 120 after this breakout, but the failure to withstand this uptrend. Here itself the market has indicated that there are so many chances that the possibility the price can break 5120 support. So this is yet another indication where the market is losing momentum on the buying side. So the second trend channels which we had drawn should be certainly of great use for us in the yesterday's trading session. This is the third trend channel. We could see that the price after a drop entering into the channel, okay, it's maintaining some buying, but the midline acting as a resistance pushing the price down. Again the bottom line acting as a resistance pushing the price down. So wonderfully whatever we had drawn in yesterday's trend channel as a trend channel had worked for us in order to identify the day trading trend. Now let's see what we can do for today's trading by drawing few trend channels. And the first trend channels what we had drawn, we had taken the angular projections of few lows. Here the market had created a low and the yesterday's low, and we had matched the midline creations to act as a support. So the price for today may be opening around 5040. So it's very much necessary for the price to maintain this or stay above this blue line if the price should move on the buying side. So if it is not going to move above this blue line, and the critical area is this key resistance line also. So this triangular portion is going to be very important for today's trading, which can give us some indication on short-term selling or regaining its buying strength. So critically this is going to be a very important trend channel for us. And the next trend channel where we can focus, so this is the next trend channel, and we had collected the low created here, and the midline is matched so that the price is likely to follow this trend. So here again it's a very critical point, whether the price is going to maintain this blue line as a resistance and it's going to come down, or it's going to clear this 5060 along with the trend channel to put some buying or maintaining its buying strength. If it is a failure, then it's a clear correction. So it's going to be a wonderful trend channel to watch. The next trend channel where we can focus, let's see, okay, now it's a downtrend channel. So it's a downtrend channel. We had picked certain highs here that was created in the yesterday's trading session or in the previous day trading session, and the lows created yesterday and day before yesterday. The idea behind is to identify the momentum of buying or selling that is going to happen. So in the previous two trend channel we had seen two lines coming here around 5000 and 40s, but here if you see we have this upper line. Even though the price is moving up, we need to closely watch this violet line, whether it is giving resistance or it's the price is moving above this. So this is one critical understanding where we will get about the momentum of buying or selling that's happening. If the price is going to break this red line, then you can say that it's hitting the selling momentum. So three trend lines, trend channels to help you for today's trading, and let's see how it's going to perform for tomorrow in the tomorrow video analysis. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Bye.